I am near Westfield. Get the hell out of here. Don't you know I'm recording video? Uber, you stupid algorithm. Sorry, guys. I can't control when $5 show up. But look, $1,441 and 49 trips. I'm trying to get to 1,550. Fingers crossed it might happen. For Sunday, a little update. We're at $115. 4 trips. 3 hours active, 5 hours online. This is good. This is good. I think this is the best I've ever driven. And I'm literally next to Westfield Mall, where I think the Golden Globes or something's going on. There's cops everywhere. There's sniffing dogs. There's parking enforcement. And there's people with stupid Teslas everywhere, driving hella fast. Truck drivers, taxi people. I don't think it's smart to stand here. I don't think, or not stand, I'm sitting here. I don't think it's smart to be here. But I'm going to figure out what to do because there is some event going on. All right. You guys know the drill. We're going to check LAX. 281, not bad. 4 o'clock is when it starts picking up. No, it's not going to pick up till 6 o'clock. I think I need a place to go because I got to get out of here. We're going to use this as a reference. See how far away it is. Not bad. I think 23 minutes, 10 miles logically makes sense. I can take a break. I can get some food. I can exercise, I can meditate, and I can work on my YouTube channel. That's the plan. But I'll keep you posted if something pops up, or, you know, if the Pakistani thinks of something cool to talk about. I was working in the background and you're barking. For $5, seriously? In Beverly Hills? Come on, Uber, you need to understand, Mr. Uber algorithm, please understand that Beverly Hills people are rich. They are wealthy. They got money. I know Uber, you don't get paid, algorithm, you don't have any money, but that doesn't mean people in Beverly Hills don't have money, right? Stop being stingy. Stop being cheap. Stop being racist. Normally, I would wait by Westfield Mall because it's been a hot spot for me, but not today. If there's awards or Golden Globes or something going on, and there's people in SUVs and tuxes and dogs and police, I don't think it's safe to be there, and there's too many other people. This is why Uber keeps showing me $5, $6, $7. I think I get the shitty rides like this because my acceptance rate is low, and there's too many other drivers that have nicer cars, and you know, they're not Pakistani. They're, you know, American. American drivers are gonna get priority over Pakistani driver, unfortunately. Ooh, so close, Uber. Oh, so close. Oh, I was thinking, God damn it, you take it way too fast. And now you're not going to bring it back because there's other drivers there. God damn it. I was thinking, you know, I'm a little slow. Pakistani people aren't the smartest people. I call us dumb and dumber. Dumb and dumber. You know what's funny is sometimes trolls are making fun of me on my channel, and I just love it. And I make fun of myself. And then some of the trolls are becoming my friends. They're like, hold on, this guy's crazy. We make fun of him and he laughs. And then we make fun of him and he asks us questions. He never gets mad. He doesn't bark back. So the trolls are actually becoming my friends. After a little bit, they just unsubscribe and they leave. And I'm like, no, come on, hang out, dude. Like, you know, the biggest thing is, look, trolls help you grow your channel. They comment sometimes more than, you know, my own fans, my own followers, which is funny. So I love it when trolls come on my channel. Other people block them. I said, no, give me more trolls, dude. Give me more trolls. And I'll tell you what, I always wasn't like this. There was a time a couple years ago where I had anger issues. I used to get pissed, right? That's why I've been divorced. 2.5 times I've been divorced, right? Half because my current wife and we've been separated, I think, for, I don't even know. I think we got married in 2017. I think 2019 we got separated. So it's at least been 4 years we haven't been together. So I said 2.5 because when I have some money and I can retire, I'll be divorcing her. But right now I can't find her. She's like in Canada. She's changed her address, so I don't know how to serve her. And honestly, I don't have time. But anyways, this channel is not about my divorces. Sorry, I don't want to bring you guys down. But if you see me taking shots at women a little bit, that's why. I've been done wrong by a couple of sociopaths and narcissists and borderline personality disorders. I've dealt with all three, my friends. A narcissist, a sociopath, and borderline personality disorder. And I think that's going to be my next YouTube channel. That's not bad. Yeah, I'll take that because I can get rematched. I'll take that because I'll get rematched. Fingers crossed. If it was 87 cents more, it would have been ideal, Uber. Ah, you little punk. You little punk. You lying sack of shit. You know nobody took that. You know nobody took that. And you guys, stuff like this happens. It's okay. It is okay. It is okay. It is okay. People are not honking at me. They are so impatient. There's a spot where you get on the 405 freeway. Oh, you shut up. There's a spot you get on the 405 freeway, it gets blocked and people are honking behind me. And I'm like, I can't go, there's cars in front of me. Now that ride for $15 to LAX was nice. And I'm learning to use that because if it's going towards the direction that I'm going, I'll bend my rules. I'll go down to $9, $10, $14. It's okay. Although it messes up my average, I don't mind because at least I'm getting paid in the direction that I'm going. Okay, look at this dumb map on the right hand side. Look at this. I'm taking a detour. I'm not even picking up anybody. I'm literally using my navigation to go to the airport. This is how buggy this stupid app is. You know, for that, we're gonna turn this app off, put it in a timeout. Absolutely put it in a timeout. What does it look like over here? Oh, nice. It's going lower. This is good. I want to show you guys something. This airport, no, sorry. This Arco right here, does this show up? Yeah, see? Uber won't even show it. Let me show you in Google Maps. Check it out. This Arco right here, I'm going to try to link it in the description of this video. The gas is $4.15, my friends. $4.15. This is the cheapest gas I've found all over Los Angeles. Unless, no, this is cheaper than Costco. Costco was $4.39 today. Yeah, this is the cheapest I've found. Basically, the address is here in case it doesn't show up on my description, because sometimes I have issues with my Google when I copy stuff from it. But this is it. This is the Arco, my friends. Let's compare that. I put this one in bold. So it's $4.15. I put in $10.41 of gas, right? Look at the difference. This is all the gas that I put in today. The most expensive is right here for the same amount of gallons, $13.25. 11, 12, yeah, it's almost $2.50 more just for 2.5 gallons. And the cheapest was Arco, no, was Costco. So Costco, if you look over here, cost me $11. And over here, if you look, it cost me for the same amount of gas, $10.41. So at Costco, I ended up paying just a little bit more. That doesn't look right. Something's off. But that means Costco's not bad. $4.39, I don't know. I'm not that good at math. There was an African-American brother at Arco. And he's like, can you help a homeless guy out? I was like, yeah, what do you want? And he was trying to ask for money. I was like, bro, I'm poor. I'm an Uber driver. Well, I'll get you something to eat. What do you want? He went and he grabbed a soda. The soda, $2.50. When I got the soda, I told the lady at the counter, make sure this brother doesn't return this soda. If he returns this soda, do not give him money. Did you know that? Sometimes you help homeless people out and they'll do whatever you bought. If you throw the receipt in the trash, they'll grab it, they'll go to a different Arco and they'll return it. But I think with drinks, you can't do it. And I think the people behind the counter know that. My job is to help you out, bro. And to give you something to eat. He said he's got a sandwich in the bag. I said, well, grab something to drink. So he got a soda. I said, no problem. And when I was leaving, he said, thank you. I said, you're welcome. And he said, don't worry, I'm not gonna return this. I was like, I hope you don't. And I was like, good luck to you, brother. God bless you. Meaning it's okay to help out the homeless people, but instead of giving money, the only homeless people I give money to are the ones that are handicapped and that are out in the street. And look, I feel tough. It's tough for them. If I have cash, I'll give them a little bit. But in general, I've decided I'm not giving money. I'll give them food. I'll give them water. I'll give them clothes. I'll help them with what I can. If I can't help them, I can't help them, you know. And guess how much my coffee was? 89 cents. So this Arco, not only is it the cheapest gas that I've found, it is also the cheapest coffee I've found in California. All right, deuces. I got to get to LAX and start a new video.